Welcome to this OrderEm tutorial where we'll show you how to set up your very own website on OrderEm in a few easy steps. If you have not published your store on OrderEm yet, we'd request you to go back to our channel and watch the video called, How to Publish Your Store. If your store is published, let's get started. OrderEm is a powerful platform that helps businesses like yours easily create and manage a professional website to sell their products and services online and own customer data. With OrderEm, you can build a website that not only looks great, but also meets the needs of your customers. Go to your OrderEm dashboard and click on My Website tab on the left. You will see a Build Website pop-up flash on the screen asking you to proceed. Kindly click on Yes button. Once you click the Yes button, you are redirected to Choose Template, where you can find 4 different templates which can be customized as per your liking. Select the template that fits your business and then you may select a background image that represents your brand. There's also an option to choose a background color which can be your brand color. Select your business type and finally then click the Save button. Say yes to Do you want to overwrite website pop up to save the settings. The best part about editing the website is that you can preview it on the same screen on the right. So if anything feels off, you can immediately adjust it. Now, click on the Web Tiles page to activate or deactivate your web tiles, which are various pages of your website. If you want to edit the content of any of these tiles, you may do that by clicking on the Edit button. After editing the web tiles, we move to the navigation menu on the left tree side structure. Once you land on this page, you could see an option to choose Header or Footer on the top to edit these sections. Select your business location from the drop-down menu at the bottom of the screen. In this view, there's a provision to edit the page URL, delete, view and download the pages to your local system device by clicking on their respective symbols. You can also edit the SEO fields by clicking on this symbol. Please note, you can delete all pages except home and login page since those are the default pages. Now we move to the page design section under your business name on the left side tree, to customize your website design. Select the page name from the drop-down for which you'd like to edit the design. Then select the desired image display option, centered or tiled. You can check both the options in the preview and choose as per your preference. If you want to upload a background image, it can be uploaded from here. Now we move to the Sections tab to add the key sections to our page. Remember the tiles we had set earlier? If you want to show tiles, simply click on Add Tile to add your preferred tile. If you'd like to preview your design, click on the Preview button to see how it's coming along. Don't forget to click on the Save button after making all the changes. Lastly, once you have made all the changes, simply click the Publish Website option under My Website tab. Once you click the Publish button, a pop-up displays. Click OK to submit your website for the review. Once the review is complete on the back end, your website is published and we will notify you.